Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by checking basics. Make sure your iPhone's volume is up and silent mode is off. Otherwise, the alarm may be quiet. Once done, open Clock and tap Alarm to see your list. Next, hit Edit in the top left and select the specific alarm you want to change. You do this now because alarm tone and volume controls are per alarm, and some settings live inside the alarm, not the general sounds menu. Now, tap Sound within the alarm and pick a louder tone or a full song. Longer waveforms tend to sound fuller. After selecting, use the preview button so you can hear it immediately. This lets you compare levels quickly. Then exit and open setting Sounds and Haptics to confirm the ringer and alert slider is set higher. Alarms use that level unless Change with Buttons is enabled, so make sure the slider sits where you need it. Finish by saving the alarm and creating a quick test time a few minutes ahead so you verify loudness in real conditions. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is off, and check Bluetooth is not routing audio to headphones or a speaker. Those mute the phone speaker. If volume remains low, restart the iPhone. Sometimes it resets audio routing. If problems persist, update iOS and, as a last resort, reset settings to restore default sound behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.